Welcome to The Attendant by Poolside Tech. In this video, we will take a look at a spa jet's water feature with a variable speed pump and 2 additional single speed pumps assigned to it. This will simulate a real-world scenario that you may encounter on an existing pool pad during a retrofit installation. Let's dive in. As mentioned in an earlier video, I've posted the link below in the description. The Attendant is a feature-based system that does not require the user to have intimate knowledge of the pool system in order to use it. Features can simply be turned on or off, and because the Attendant knows how water flows through the system, it will turn on the appropriate pumps and move valves as needed. Let's take a look at the setup for this pool that has 3 flows servicing the spa jets. The main flow uses the variable speed pump, and the additional jet pump flows each use a single speed pump. Here is a simple diagram illustrating how these flows are connected to the spa. Each of these pumps is capable of producing the speeds shown on the screen here. Because the Attendant is feature-based, all 3 of these pumps drive the spa jets feature. I have added the total power that each pump can produce towards the total feature power to the diagram for reference. When activating a feature, the Attendant will attempt to spread the desired power load across all pumps based on the speed or pressure the user desires. Let's imagine I am turning the spa jets on at 25%. At this desired power, both single-speed pumps would generate too much power, so they are not used. Only the variable speed pump will be chosen to run, and it will run at a speed of 75%. You are probably asking, why 75%? Let me explain how this works. Because the spa jets are powered by 3 pumps, each pump is only able to produce about 33% of the total pressure that a user can ask for. This is really just simple math. 100% total pressure divided by the 3 pumps equals 33.3%. Because 2 of the 3 jet pumps are single-speed pumps, they are only capable of producing 33% of the total required flow, and this would be more pressure than the user wanted. The variable speed pump, on the other hand, is capable of producing anywhere from 0 to 33% of the total required flow, and therefore is the pump we need to use in order to hit a 25% desired pressure. I have added a breakdown of the pump speed allocation here to help illustrate what is happening in the system. Let's take a look at how the system would allocate pump speeds if I were to set the spa jets to 75%. As you can see, this will turn on both single speed pumps to generate 66% of the desired power and make up the remaining 9% by powering the variable speed pump at 27%. It's always recommended to run variable speed pumps wherever possible because of their energy efficiency. But unfortunately, that is not always what you run into on the pool pad. The Attendant allows you to give those older pool pads a complete makeover, and homeowners will be happy that they don't need to replace equipment that's still working. Thanks for joining me today to learn more about mixing and matching pool equipment on pool features using the Attendant. Have a great day!